Hello, today we're going to go over the basics of retargeting animation in Unreal Engine 4. So what we have here is the basic third-person Unreal Engine project template. So you can see it's all got animations here, moves around perfectly fine. But say that we've got an asset that we want to bring into this and just get up and running, see how it looks in action. So what we're going to do is navigate to the skeleton that we have for this current animation. So we've got this here, and we're going to go over to the skeleton and just make sure its pose matches the asset that we want to use. So this asset is in T-pose. Now by default Unreal Engine mannequin is in an A pose, so you may need to just rotate some of these bones and make sure that they're in place. It's important that you do this, otherwise your animations aren't going to look right. And the next thing that we're going to want to do is make sure that we have the humanoid rig selected, and we're going to just want to make sure that everything looks okay in there, and we're going to make sure that we select the same thing in our asset. So we again go humanoid and just double check, make sure that both the basic and the advanced all roughly match up. Now this is a very simple asset in comparison to the third person mannequin, so some of the bone information won't be there, but as long as everything generally looks like it matches, we should be absolutely fine. So once we've double checked it and make sure everything looks okay, we're going to navigate to the animation blueprint. So we can see this here, and we're going to right click and then select duplicate animation blueprints and retarget. So you can see there he's in the T-pose. We're just going to make sure that our model is reflected there, so that they're both in T-pose, and I'm just going to put the prefix retargeted. Okay, so now I'm going to retarget those, and we can see looks like that's been done successfully. So we can now go into our mesh and on our third person blueprint and just update that, make sure that looks absolutely fine. So let's go with our Viking Chief and let's find the retargeted blueprint, and that looks like it's going to work. So we can just go ahead and test that out. And that looks absolutely fine. So that's just a very quick guide in how you retarget animations within Unreal Engine 4. If you